Physiotherapy helps restore the movement and function of patients affected by injury, illness, or disability. It also reduces your risk of injury or illness in the future. Physiotherapy can help people of all ages with a wide range of health conditions. It deals with problems affecting bones, joints, soft tissue, the brain or nervous system, the heart, lungs, and breathing. This is a Lokomat, a technologically advanced robot-assisted gait training device. It's helpful for patients with walking disabilities caused by cerebral, neurological, spinal, or orthopedic disorders that affect lower extremity coordination. The Lokomat has a harness above a treadmill that supports patients while the robotic device moves their legs through a gait cycle. As the treatment progresses, the physiotherapist increases the weight bearing and reduces assistance from the robotic legs. This requires patients to gradually control the coordination they need during walking. This robotic physiotherapy deals with stroke, multiple sclerosis, cerebral palsy, Parkinson's disease, partial paraplegia, and traumatic brain injury. A training session with the Lokomat typically takes 1 hour. A standard treatment plan may involve 3 one-hour sessions per week for 4 to 8 weeks.